Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with a very quick lesson, basic lesson on a song from Michael Jackson called Beat It. Okay, no words from me on this one, I'm afraid. I can't sing and play this at the same time, which is a godsend for you people. So just the instrumental side of it, okay? So starts off, I'm in standard tuning by the way. Michael Jackson I think is playing this in the same key, although he might have his guitar detuned slightly. Depends on the recording you listen to, but it's fairly close to E minor. Okay, so standard tuning. Okay, so the song starts off with these sort of weird belly type chords, right, which I've tried to simulate. A G played just a single strum basically near the bridge somewhere, gives a fairly good sound. I'm playing a 4-fingered C, doubling up on the 3rd fret of the top 2 strings, yeah, to an E minor, back to the G, to a D, then there's obviously a bit of drums tippy-tapping around, and then it comes in with the main riff, okay? Okay, right, so let's do that. So it starts off with the bottom E string open. Second note is the 3rd fret of the bottom E string. Then what you do is just, on the bottom E string you slide from the 5th fret to the 7th fret. Okay? Then you play the 5th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and then the 7th fret of the 5th string. So now we've got this. Okay, do it again. Okay, then we slide, we hit the 7th fret on the 5th string again, we slide it up to the 9th fret. Right, so then we go back to the 7th fret on the 5th string. Then we hit the 5th fret of the 5th string twice. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, very slowly. The second part of the riff is exactly the same, but you only hit that last note once instead of twice. So the second time it's okay, so you put the two together and you have okay, so simple as that. So you play those two, that complete round a couple of times, however many times you want, and then you go into the singing, okay? And the singing is very staccato. Chords are basically E minor as a bar chord on the 7th fret to a D chord on the bar chord 5th fret bar, either 3 fingers like that or a single bar with your 3rd finger on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 7th fret. And then a C chord, which is 2 frets down, 3rd fret bar, 3 fingers again like that, or single finger like that. And those are the 3 chords in the song. So it comes out of the riff. If I do a couple of the riffs. First time is da 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 da, and then it goes da da da, and does that again, da da da, and then this time it's da 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 on the E minor, da da da, and it goes down to the C, da da da, da da, up to the D and back to the E minor, da da da, to the D, da da da. Okay, so it's E minor, da 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 da. Da, 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 E minor to D and E minor again to D, da, 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 C, D, da da da, E minor to D, da da da, da da, and it doesn't. That's the verse, and then it just repeats the whole thing again. Okay, and then it goes into the chorus, which is obviously you're playing the riff in the chorus. Okay, that's well, I certainly can't sing it over that riff, I'm afraid. Okay, so that's it. That's all there is in the song. Obviously, there's a cracking solo towards the end of the song, which I'm not going to do because it's not really suitable for an acoustic guitar for a start. Anyway, but you get the gist of the song, don't you? Okay, and that's all there is in it. Okay, so we'll just go through the whole thing again. A bit of drums and then second verse. Chorus. You got the idea. Well, that's it, boys and girls. Nice simple lesson for you. But short and sweet, as they say. See you in the next lesson then. Bye for now.